Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your LinkedIn company page to support hiring with Workday. Full guide step by step clearly. First, log into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your company page by selecting it from the drop-down menu under your profile. Once on your company page, find the edit button in the top right corner and click on it. Update your company description to emphasize your commitment to hiring. Incorporate relevant keywords that highlight your company's culture and values. Scroll down to the specialties section and add skills relevant to the positions you are hiring for. Next, update your logo and banner image to reflect your current branding. Make sure your logo is clear and recognizable at all sizes. In the banner image, consider including visuals that represent your workplace culture. Now, take a look at the job postings section. Ensure it is visible and up to date with all current job openings. Include roles that align with your hiring needs in Workday. If Workday integration isn't set up yet, consult your HR or IT team to enable it. Once integrated, use Workday to post job openings directly on your LinkedIn page. To do this, navigate to your Workday account. Select the job posting you wish to feature and copy the link. Return to your LinkedIn page and paste the link into the appropriate section. Make sure to include compelling descriptions and requirements for each role. Then, add a compelling call to action encouraging candidates to apply. Consider creating a dedicated section for employee testimonials. Highlight employee experiences that reflect your company's values. Engage with followers by posting updates about your company culture and hiring events. Use videos or infographics for more visual engagement. Regularly update your job postings to keep them fresh and relevant. Encourage current employees to share job postings within their networks. Monitor engagement and respond to comments or inquiries promptly. Review your analytics to assess the performance of your updates. Adjust your strategies based on what resonates most with potential candidates. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.